Um, so here is my black Mainstays hugger. The globe is not original to this unit. This globe is from a ceiling light, but it works just fine. The box on the ceiling is a bit loose, so I probably won't run it on high. But the next fan I install, I'll tighten up the box. It's a bit noisy, but once it runs for a bit, it stops being noisy. Let's run it on medium. I'll only run it on high for like a second or so. It vibrates. Hard to capture on camera, but it is like fucking doing the shimmy. Alright, and then high. And off. Keeping the light on because there's not much light in this corner. Is it still on? I'm fucking stupid. It was on. Well, now this fan has been kind of abused. I'm just gonna admit that. Didn't really take care of this fan while it was in service the last other time I installed. Even though this is a kind of a crappy Mainstays fan, I do really like it. I think it's decent quality for the $30 it's worth. A Nintendo game is worth more than the ceiling fan. Even though it blows a abysmal amount of air, it's still better than nothing. And this globe light looks really nice. I think the black finish makes this look like an old fan. I don't have the I do not have the real globe that it comes with, but I'm pretty sure, if I recall correctly, I still have that globe. The bulb inside is this flame tip LED bulb. It's pretty interesting, but yeah, let's just watch it spin down. Now, the setup in the basement is not there, and it is probably not going to be used anytime soon. However, I might change my mind about that. I might. This is a definite. This is not definite, but I might put up the Armitage and maybe like a smaller fan, but probably not. pretty good. The bearings are pretty good, actually. In fact, actually, yeah, the bearings are perfect. The only sound comes from the humming of the motor, because this motor is somewhat cheap. Pretty cheap, yeah. I'm thinking of getting putting my Harbor Breeze right up here, and putting on big blades so I can make it like a 6-bladed fan. If I can find blades that fit it and are this size, which is unlikely, but or I might put up the Hunter profile, but I want to put a downrod fan, because I have yet to do that. And we are getting to a stop. These bearings are in excellent condition. This fan was sat here unused for like a year almost. Before this, there was a Cheshire 2. To be honest, was kind of boring because it's like a modern fan. I'll probably install it with I want to buy some schoolhouse lights. I'll probably install it with like a schoolhouse light. But anyways, we're going to stop here. And yeah, this is my Mainstays fan. And bye.